A factor rainbow is just an easy or kind of a fun way to find out all the factors of a certain number. So let's, for instance, take the number 12. We know that the factors for 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. But let's say for a second that we didn't just know that off the top of our head. Well, what would we do? Well, the first thing you could do is think, okay, well, I can do a factor rainbow. So I'm going to put my 12 at the top of the rainbow, and then I'm going to go ahead and start with the first factor of 12. We know the first factor of 12 is always going to be, or is going to be 1, because any number, its first factor is 1, including 1 itself. So 1 times what equals 12? Well, we know 1 times 12 is 12, so that's the first stripe of our rainbow. Let's go ahead and I'm going to change colors here to kind of make it easy to see. What's the next number after 1? 2. Well, 2 times what equals 12? Well, we know 2 times 6 equals 12, so that's the second stripe of our rainbow. What's the next number after 2? Because remember, in the factor rainbow, you want to start on the left side and just go up. So the next number after 2 is 3. Well, is 12 divisible by 3? Yeah, it is. So let's put our 3 here. Whoops, I'm going to change color here. I forgot. Okay, so 3. And 3 times what equals 12? Well, we know 3 times 4 equals 12. Now, at the end of our rainbow, we know we're at the end of our rainbow because 4 comes after 3, so we can't go up anymore. So we know we have a complete rainbow. So we know all the factors of 12 are listed right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And that's all the factors of 12. Now let's go ahead and try another number. This time, why don't we go ahead and try number 20. Actually, let's go with the number 20. So, to start off our factor rainbow, just like before, we always want to start off with 1, because that's the first factor in any number, so 1. And then 1 times 20, well, we know that's 20, so it's the first part of our rainbow. And then we want to go to the next number up, which is 2, and 2 times 10, we know, is 20. And what's our next factor? 3. Is 3 one of the factors of 20? Well, there isn't anything you can multiply 3 by to get 20. We could try 3 times 10. That gives us 30. How about 3 times 7? That gives us 21. So 3 times 6. That gives us 18. So none of those are going to work. So we know that 3 is not going to be a factor of 20. What about 4? It's 4 a factor of 20. Yeah, 4 is a factor of 20. 4 times 5 is 20. So I'm going to write that in here. 4 and a 5 over here. And if we go up to 5, oh, we already have 5, so we're done. So our factors for 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. And that's how you use a factor rainbow to find the factors of any number.